Awesome trick. Join letters S and D, you get a mango. Let's draw it quickly. Draw alphabet S and D side by side. Let's draw it bigger. Draw S first and then D closer to it. Let me show you clearly with a sketch pen. Now let's get to the final stage. Draw a big S then D, but draw D closer to S. Try to forget the straight line of the D. Now erase the bottom tail of S little bit and then join smoothly with the curve of D. This gives the necessary rounded shape for the mango. Once this is done, we can finish the outline with a sketch pen or with a pencil. Wow! Beautiful yummy mango outline is ready. Now add more details like stem, leaves, etc. I am drawing a lengthy leaf. Most mangoes have thinner leaves. So observe a mango tree and learn about its leaves. Erase all unnecessary lines before we color it. Let's use a low-cost wax crayons for coloring. We will do a basic coloring, not in a detailed way or realistic method. Start with yellow color. As we learned before, follow the shape of mango while coloring. Don't use any straight line, vertical or horizontal strokes. This method will give a good texture too. Don't fill entirely. Use this color on the right side. Use orange color for the left side. Follow the same method. We are drawing a ripe mango. If you want to draw a raw mango, use different shades of green. Use yellow color and blend it with orange. Now use green color to draw the stem and leaves. Here we will use light green color on the right side. Use darker green on the left side. Here we imagine that the light is coming from right side. So we give darker shades on the left side. Those who are new here, please watch our previous videos to know more about detailed shading or coloring techniques. This tutorial is mainly for our beginners and cute budding artists. You can add more details to the leaf by drawing veins using dark green. We will finish it up with little dark red color on the left side of the mango. Friends, hope everybody likes this simple tutorial. You can find the link for more such useful tutorials at the end of this video. Check out those videos also and keep practicing. Please subscribe the channel for more art videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.